Today is Wednesday, September 12th, and we're here for a construction update. A lot of cement work has been done around the stadium. And again, here's the back view of the sign. And our electricians are here wiring everything up.
Yep, all just the electrical side of it.
Is the concession stands right here, so our boosters are gonna love that.
So we're looking at the drain system for the football field and the track. So how this will carry water off of the turf and off of the track, all the way around the track over to a storm drain system over there. If you look here, you can see this board along the track drain. That's the board they physically connect the turf to when they sow in the football field. And you see the trenches here for proper drainage.
Once that floor is poured, then all of those pieces of equipment that are over there in the white plastic right over there, those will be set, and that will feed, all of the mechanical equipment for the gyms. And so that allows us to start building the auxiliary gyms as soon as those are out of the way.
Perfect. This is the maintenance shed.
Well, that's our generator on right now. So all the joists on, they just got to spread the decking and weld it down. Then we'll bring the roofers in and dry it in.
Okay, so we have topsoil put down over the future soccer field and football and band practice field. You can see the posts coming up. That's the sprinkler heads for these two gorgeous fields. You also notice there's like concaves for two separate fields so the water flows off wonderfully. We have the new scoreboard for the soccer field at the end already in. They're going to be planting grass here in the next few weeks.
We're inside the building on the lower portion of the hall on the first floor, and we have the ceiling grids in. Inside the classrooms, we now have our furniture that's been delivered, or the cabinetry, and it's acclimating. And then around this corner, in the arts display cases, we have the windows for the display cases. So everything's coming together nice. We're in one of the classrooms, and as you notice, the light fixtures have been installed. And John told me the majority of the building of light fixtures have all been set. They put all hands on deck to make sure that they could get those installed quickly. They look great. And even in the hallway, you'll see the lights. So all the way down, they have the lights installed. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting. We're going to keep walking on down towards the commons. We're inside the counseling office. It's getting enclosed and installing some pipe there or welding something. And this is our East Shore Center. This is the Performing Arts hallway and walking inside the auditorium. My goodness, so much has happened here. Looking to the front of the school, there's the counselor's office, the front office, and looking into the gym. That wall is almost up. And now, as I slowly go towards the performing arts area, we're going to walk down this hall. This is where our tickets, performing arts ticket sales will be, behind those boxes. This is where our choir, band, and orchestra will be located, down this hall. And now we're going to walk towards the seminary building where that site will be. Okay, we just came out of the band room. We're on the west side of the school, and it looks like the seminary building is in progress. Let's see where they are digging and getting ready for their project. So there you have it, future site of the seminary building. There's the back side of the performing arts area and the CTE where our greenhouse will be. And just straight ahead on the other side is the tennis courts.